How to fix Roblox lag on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag on any Roblox on any Android phone. Or what you have to do is simple. Go to Roblox app and then choose any server. For example, I choose this server. It's so famous and it's a great server. Just go to the top corner, click on Roblox settings right here. On this page you will find many options as you can see. Now all what you have to do is scroll down and make the graphics mode automatic like this. If it works for you, good, then let it. And if it's not, go back again, click on settings and make it manual, but please make sure to make the graphics quality as lower as possible, because if it's higher you will have lag. Now let's see, there is no lag as you can see right here. As you can see, don't forget to like, subscribe.